Hello and welcome to this Grand Planned Joy Packet, all about circles. Now, circles are a great shape, but why is there a whole packet about them? Well, as we get close to Rosh Hashanah, the head of the year, Rosh Hashanah year, I want us to think about, is our year a circle or a line or both or neither? I want you to talk about that more, but maybe you're wondering, why would I have said it's a circle in the first place? Well, you probably know from science, we've got the sun and the earth goes all the way around it, orbits it. And when it's completed that orbit of going around in a circle, we have 1 year. Are we different when we get all the way back? Are we come back to the beginning? Or is it a different place? Is the Shana make us Shoneh? Shana is year, Shoneh is changed. Is that the shape we're going in? Or are we going month to month to month in a line? Does it stop and end? Does it go on forever straight? Does it go around? How does it feel to you? I want you to be able to talk about that together. Then there's a story to enjoy about Tadeo's search for the perfect circle. And then you can go on your own circle search. There is a circle scavenger hunt to enjoy. There is also, where do you see circles? Can you make pictures of all different types of circles? I think it's a lot of fun. Every time I see somebody do it, they have amazing new ideas of what is a circle. So if you want to take a picture and share it with me, I would love to see your ideas on what a circle is, what it can be. And then there's a video, which you could get some Play-Doh to do with too, of why is the Earth shaped like a circle? And pretty much everything in outer space a circle. So this is just one of many explorations as we get ready for Rosh Hashanah. Oh yeah, what are the foods that are a circle for Rosh Hashanah too? Enjoy. Shana Tova.